Hello everyone. 90% of pharma students fail to choose the right career. जी हाँ, most of the pharmacy graduates pressure में, दबाव में या lack of awareness के कारण अपने लिए गलत career choose करते हैं. And that's a stepping stone to disaster. तो आज के इस 3 मिनट में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूं how to choose a correct career for yourself. Where do you fit in? सबसे पहला होता है स्पेसिफिक टू द डिपार्टमेंट, लाइक मेडिकल डिवाइसेस में बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियर, फर्मेंटेशन साइंटिस्ट, बायोप्रोसेसिंग इंजीनियर्स, बहुत सारे रोल्स होते हैं, रिसर्च साइंटिस्ट, प्रोजेक्ट साइंटिस्ट जो आप कर सकते हैं. बट you need to know where you fit in. Do you like being into corporate and private opportunities? Do you like being called as a government officer, or you like being studying, or you like pursuing higher studies like PhD, masters, postdoctoral and other courses? So आज के इस वीडियो में I am going to tell you about all the opportunities open out for you. First one is pharmacovigilance. So in pharmacovigilance, you can work as a drug safety associate, drug safety physician. You can work as a signal detection, casualty assessment, ICSR reporting, aggregate reporting, multiple job roles. Clinical research and data management. If you're going to work, you can work as a CRA, CTC, clinical trial coordinator, clinical research associate. Lot of roles are available. Clinical data manager, medical content developer. If you are looking out for being into medical writing, scientific writer, publication writer, regulatory writer, medical content writing, lot of job roles that you get over here. Medical coding, where you would know about the HCPCS coding, CPT coding, so that you can code for radiology, anesthesia, cardiology and other domains. Regulatory and medical affairs, dealing with the CTDs, brochures, documents, CRFs, and helping in the CMC dossier filing. If you are liking marketing and sales, business development, product management, trainee, and competitive intelligence, market forecasting, market access, these are certain job roles which are specific to MBA or more of a marketing aspect. Then again, coming to the pharmacology role, you have toxicology scientist, you have research scientist, you have DMPK scientist, analytical R&D, formulation R&D, FND, quality assurance and quality documents. So if you're good in documents, QA/QC is a field. If you're good in brainstorming, FND and R&D are fields for you. Now upcoming fields are HEOR scientist. Lot of companies are hiring pharmacoeconomics, health technology assessment, SLR, TLR experts, so that they can streamline the process. MSL, it's like a higher version of MR, where you talk with different scientists, different subject matter experts, stakeholders in the industry. And let me tell you another role which is hidden, or we would say a career opportunity not much explored, is patent writing, grant writer, patent writer. There are a lot of freelancing works that you get. So work from home jobs, remote jobs. So if you're looking out for these jobs, then patent writing, grant writer is a job. Medical writing, where you have publication writing, scientific writing, regulatory writing, safety writing, that is a job. If you're looking out for the field job, the PMT is a job. MSL is a job which is a free field job. Again, if you're looking for a desk job, HEOR. If you're looking out for something which is related to the core field, FND, R&D, QA/QC, DMPK scientist. If you're looking out for something into marketing, sales, then competitive intelligence, market forecasting, business development. If you're looking out for some specific niche domains, then pharmacovigilance, CRCDM, medical coding, regulatory affairs. These are something which you can choose. So choose wisely. This is going to decide your future, and I've already made a specific video. एक वीडियो मैंने बनाया, आप हमारे चैनल पे या इंस्टाग्राम पे जाके देख सकते हैं, जिसमें I've mentioned about every course in detail, what skills you require, what softwares, databases you need to learn, hard skills as well as soft skills, because आपको entry level as fresher कोई job नहीं देगा इसमें. You need to learn something, you need to have a hands-on training or a practice. You need to be acquainted and familiarized with softwares like Argus, Viva Vault, RSG, how to use PubMed, clinicaltrials.gov, Mendeley, Google Scholar, Scopus, right? Reading the paper, writing a paper, manuscript publications, dealing with the different regulatory bodies, knowing the basics of pharmacology and pharmacovigilance, adverse effects, about the patent, query writing, dependent and independent claims, over here you need to know about the product profile, portfolio, how do you pitch the product, slide deck preparation, small details, right? How to convince. Over here, a continuous research, a dynamic and updating knowledge of what's going on and different permutation combinations, because you need over here one thing which is very important: patience and tolerance. There would be failures, there would be lot of places where you would have a null hypothesis, but you need to be strong enough and keep working. So every job role, pharma में 100 से ज़्यादा careers हैं. It's just lack of awareness. हमें नहीं पता. And people usually cringe about it, cry about it that pharma में पैसा नहीं है, scope नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है. I will give my personal example. I had a job of 15 LPA, then I was also offered another job of 10 LPA and 12 LPA. But it's up to you. आप में skills है, आप में वो fire है. If you have that potential, लोग आपको लेंगे. So make yourself that much capable that people choose you. People would want you, right? ऐसे मजबूरी में, or you know, like a donkey, do not work like that, because if you want to succeed in life, you need to continuously upskill yourself. And we also have a set of courses for all of these. If you want to learn any of these, we have a lot of courses available at Payam Vohra Classes. You can check out the details in the description, comment section, and you can get access to these courses at the most affordable, most accessible, a great quality content. So I hope that this video was useful for you. If it was, do like, share, subscribe and comment, and also share it with your friends, colleagues, juniors, seniors, well-wishers, if they are also confused, in a dilemma about their careers, if they are looking out to switch their careers. Thank you so much, everyone.